is now in 5-day police custody. The court has now granted him the remand, and the inside details that are now coming in as far as the information suggests that Vibhav Kumar is not cooperating with the police. He is refusing to give his phone password. Vibhav Kumar is likely also to be taken to Mumbai because there has been information suggesting, as far as the news came in, that he had apparently formatted his phone. That happened in Mumbai. Let me go across to Shivani. Isha is also with us right now. Shivani, good morning. There is inside scoop coming in that he is not cooperating with the police.
Good morning, Amita, to you and to all our viewers. And Times Now is keeping the viewers ahead with every scoop and inside detail in this case. And we are at the Civil Lines Police Station, where Vibhav Kumar is in the police custody for next 5 days. And what latest we've learned through our sources, that Vibhav is not cooperating with the police. He's not telling the password of his phone, which he has already formatted. That's what the Delhi police had apprised the court while the hearing was on yesterday night, Amita. And the police has also said that he will be taken to the CM residence for the recreation of the scene, and also to Mumbai, because that was the place where the phone was formatted. Who formatted the phone? Was Vibhav himself carrying the phone, or he had given this phone to somebody else? So all these points will be investigated, and the police will also investigate whether Vibhav has some links with anti-social elements, Amita. So this is how the investigation is moving ahead, and the police has now claimed that the CCTV footage was blank. The phone has been formatted. So a new section can be added to the charge sheet of Vibhav Kumar, where he can be also booked for section 201. That is for destroying the evidences in a particular case. The investigation is on. And we know that Arvind Kejriwal will be moving towards the BJP headquarters at 12. That's what he has announced, along with all the other leaders and MPs of his party. Meanwhile, we are at the Civil Lines Police Station. You see, this is the place where all the action took place in last 3 days, because here, yesterday, Vibhav was brought, he was booked, and then initially also the complaint was lodged out here. And now Vibhav Kumar he remains in the police custody, but he is not cooperating. That's what the sources have revealed, but the investigation is on. The police will now try to question Vibhav Kumar and connect the dots from the place of crime, that is CM's residence. That is hardly a walkable distance from this place where we are standing right now. So Vibhav can be taken to CM's residence, and then the questioning can continue. But as of now, he's not cooperating. That's what the sources have revealed. And his phone that has already been formatted needs to be opened with a password. And he might have more than one devices also, Amita. That's what the police is also investigating upon, trying to gather more evidence about the whole incident that had occurred on 13th of